Create a Steam account. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to download the Steam installer and create a new account. This is an updated video, folks. Let's begin. In Google search bar, type Steam. Hit enter and click the first site that pops up. On the site, click the button at the top to install Steam. Then click here to download the installer. Now choose a folder and click below to save. The installer's up here, folks. I'll click to start. I'll click Next here. Choose your language, then click Next. Pick the install folder. I'll leave it and click Install. Just wait a moment, folks. The installation is quick. Alright, it's installed. I'll click here to run Steam by clicking Finish. The checkbox is already selected. If you don't want to run it, just uncheck this box. It'll update if the program is outdated. Here, it asks who's playing. Click the question mark to log into an existing account. To create a new account, click the plus sign. Log in here if you have an account. If not, click Sign up for free below. To create an account, enter your email, confirm it, choose your country, and check I'm human. You must be at least 13 and accept Steam's terms and Valve's privacy policy. If you agree, check this box and click Continue. Folks, I'll receive a confirmation email. It's important to check your email, everyone. Here's the email verification for the new Steam account. Click here in the email. You need to click here to confirm your email address, guys. Click on this option. Alright, I verified my email. After confirming, click the program to set your username and password. Choose your username here at the top. If the name's taken, it won't let you use it. See that? Unavailable. So pick a username that doesn't exist yet. Now it's available. Now I can create a password and confirm it below. Then just click OK and you're done. Alright folks, registration complete. I can close this window now. I'll click Continue. Now I can log in. I'll enter the username and password I just created. Now just click Start Session. You can check this box to remember your login if you want. One more step. Check your email for a 5-digit code and enter it here. Great, it's now loading the user data. Want more videos? Comment if you need help buying a new game. Did you manage? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.